morning. It's the morning of day 2 on the Oregon BCDR Route 5. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up that we don't really know what we're going to hit next. We've seen that we're possibly Sumter's on the list for today, but I don't know if we're going to get that far. I expect it to be kind of like what we did earlier, just 4 service roads and kind of a mountain pass, or I don't know if it's a mountain pass. Tops of mountains. Mountain pass. Tops of mountains. We're riding along a ridge line, I think. Actually, here it's just really beautiful. This Rickle Ridge. I think it's called Rickle Ridge that we're on. It's really pretty here. Some nice open meadows and rolling hills. Where are we at, Chris?
We're in Ukiah.
We're at the thicket?
We're at the thicket in Ukiah.
Having some lunch?
Having some lunch. I call it lunch in a show because we get to watch the food.
What does Spanky think?
Spanky wishes I had ordered a bacon cheeseburger like Eric instead of a salad.
So in a similar spirit as the original settlers of Oregon, we're out exploring the Oregon BCDR and trying to find cool little signposts and stops along the way that'll remind you of what Oregon's history is about. It's about, people wanting to be more independent and free, and finding freedom through exploring the Oregon Backcountry Discovery Route is our version of that. We're stopped here in Ukiah, Oregon, and found this cool little wagon here that we wanted to check out. So far, the BCDR is going really well. We're having a lot of fun, so look forward to updating you guys soon.
All right, so we're up at the lookout tower of Tower Mountain, and there is a storm rolling in, so it's windy. We can see the rain in the distance, and the person up here, Taylor, told me that he's heard reports that there's a cumulonimbus forming that direction, which means there could be lightning soon, which means we probably should get out of this tower. People have been electrocuted before. I have it on good recording.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight.
Well, when you see one of these signs that something good is coming up.
Feel right, wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful.
Just finished up day 2 of the Oregon BCDR, and I was just saying how Nathan and I were chatting. We caught up and we were chatting, and it was like, oh, this is really fun and easy and kind of a relaxing BCDR. And then he took off, got his camera out, filmed me going around a corner, and literally after that it was like downhill, big rocks, washed out road. It was very exciting. So that made the Oregon, I would call it the BCDR of surprises.
Yeah, I think the word that we had earlier was, what was the word? The word was unintimidating.
Yeah.
Unintimidating BCDR, but until that moment it was just kind of a gravel superhighway. And then after that, it got fun again. So we saw some mud and we got to do some jumps, and my license plate is not very happy about that. Ninja water boiler with a pretzel head. Mm-hmm. Oh, it says pretzel, not pretzel.
Where?
flying over there.
We'll tell it to come back so I can video it.
Come back, 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 back.
It doesn't appear to be listening to you.
No, you don't speak back. As you can see, it's really washed out. I don't think we're gonna get the bikes across.
She's so sweet. Look at that face. And that big smile. No shortage of love here, huh?